What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of obtaining a verification code in Archero 2. Whether you're a new player or returning to the game, getting this code is essential for accessing certain features and ensuring your account's security. Follow the steps for a smooth verification process. I'm going to do this on my laptop since my phone does not want me to record while using a browser because it is restricted. But just follow the tutorial because it's the same. So first you must open a web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, or anything you want. Now after you open your browser, click on the search bar and type this link. As you can see, I'm on the website already. So on the website, there is a user ID section, which is where you have to copy your ID from the game. There is a redemption code section, which is where you can type the redeem codes here. And here there is a verification code section, which is you just have to copy this verification code below the verification code section. Now, you just have to tap on the redeem button to redeem your codes. Obtaining a verification code in Archero 2 is a straightforward process if you follow the steps carefully. After successfully verifying your account, you can enjoy a more secure gaming experience. If you encounter any issues, revisit the steps or consult the Archero 2 support resources for further assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.